Hello student, Namaste. How are you? I hope you are safe at home. Today we learn about the term entropy. What is entropy? Entropy is a specific property which explains the randomness or disorderness. So this is the definition. The disorder or randomness is measured by a property called entropy and it is denoted by the term S is the entropy. Now, if the randomness increases or if the randomness decreases, what will happen? Delta S will be positive or will be negative. Let us see the different examples. Greater the disorder, greater or larger the disorder or randomness, larger is the entropy. Means greater disorder, entropy is positive. If disorder is less, entropy is negative. With the help of example, we will understand it very easily. Now let us see the example solid. When solid converted to liquid and liquid to gas, what will happen? The orderness decreases here. Solid, compact molecules. In liquid, loosely arranged molecules, and in gas, very loosely arranged molecules. Now in this case, the orderness from solid to liquid. Let us consider only one this example. First example, solid to liquid. The orderness decreases. So delta S is positive. Here, this is the delta S and it is positive. When liquid to gas conversion, again disorderness increases. So delta S will be again positive. If the reverse condition will happen, what is the sign of the delta S? When gas converted to liquid, the reverse condition, disorderness decreases. Here disorder, it is order. So delta S will be negative. If the backward reaction is there, means if such type of reaction is there, delta S negative. From liquid to solid, if reverse condition, means from liquid to solid, means disorder to order, then again delta S is negative. So if you remember only one term, which term? Conversion of order to disorder, delta S is positive. You can solve any numerical. If reaction is given, you can identify whether the delta S is positive or delta S is negative. So, this is the condition. Remember this arrow. Second example, hydrogen gas converted to gas. Means here state is gas to gas. Here different state. Now here gas to gas, but observe the orderness or disorderness. H2 molecule is converted into atom. This is the molecule. When molecule converted into atoms, what is the condition? Disorderness increases. Molecule is compact and atoms are loose. When molecule is separated to atoms, then the disorderness increases. Again delta S is positive. Now third example, what is the example? Hydrogen gas is converted to liquid. This gas is converted to liquid, reverse condition. So delta S is negative. In this manner, the different questions asked related, numericals related to these reactions or examples, and you can identify easily. Only remember one term, when order to disorder, delta S is positive. Means when disorder to order, delta S is negative. The next topic is related to this entropy, quantitative definition of entropy. Means how entropy change can be calculated. Delta S is equal to Q reversible divided by T. What are the different terms? Delta S is entropy change and the unit is joule per Kelvin and it is equal to Q reversible upon T. Q reversible is heat transferred and T is temperature in Kelvin. This is the very simple topic, orderness or randomness measurement property and the quantitative relationship. I hope this topic is very simple and you understand this topic.